when your dogs don't want to get out. I don't like you. Come on. Archer. 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 Come on. Come out. Get outside, Archer. Archer. If you don't know, this is the dog from Running for My Life 1 and 2. This one and that one. Big black one also. Little scrawny doggy and Archer. Oh, whacked me. Oh, spit. Guys, get out. Come on. I'll sit in here. I'll join this. Me and the dogs. You little... Oh, it's unfocusing. There you go. Jared's inside. When he get picked up for cadets. Alright guys, I want to tell you who like Wizbomb is. I know him. I know who he is. I've seen his face and everything. I know who he is. He's my best friend. Both do YouTube, but I know who he is. I know his name, know his last name, know what school, know all about him, know his best friend. I am. It's most. Those are not my shoes. They're not. They're my mom's. I'm just wearing socks. Can't get out. So this is Jay as well. Big brown one. Don't forget. Like, subscribe. I don't think the Ghost Recon went through, but we did one, and Jacob and I were hunting down scrubs. Liam and Owen were scrubs, and we were just killing them because the boss was scrub hunters. So if I ever go back to his place, I'm gonna do more scrubbing. And I'm gonna say, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe and scrub this video, we will do more scrub videos. Scrubbios. Oh, come on, get out. Alright. Alright, see you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 10 out of 10 would sub again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Don't give a shit. Just leave a comment. Just do it. Okay. 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 See you.